Preparation. Close the top cover and rear cover. Tighten manually. Start the vehicle. Engage the PTO. Press the clutch. Turn on the PTO. Slowly release the clutch. Start suction. Open the valve. Pump starts running. Monitor the pressure gauge. Wait for 4 minutes before checking the water level. Finish suction. Close the valve. Turn off the PTO. Before opening the rear cover, make sure to unlock the latch first. Discharge. Press the rear cover button to release. Finally, close the rear cover and tighten the latch.